Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Penman Rohit. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I turned from Rohit Sood to Penman Rohit. And it was not just about changing the name, it was rather about feeling yourself as an author. And my name is Rohit Sood, like I have already told you. So, when I was thinking about publishing my first book in the year 2017, I published my first book in August 2017, right? But in the month of April 2017, when I was thinking about creating a name, or you can say username for my Facebook page, I was wondering what can I write, because I was of the opinion that I must create a username which doesn't have any number in it. It was very hard to find because when I think of author Rohit, I didn't feel that it is rememberable, because it was coming with double R, like author Rohit, first word ending with the same letter with which the other word is starting. So I thought, what can I do? That day I was chatting with one of my friends, and she suggested that I would be happy to help you. So she did some research and she said that I found a few names, but I'm not sure whether you would like it or not. And from all those names, one of the names which she suggested was Penman Rohit. I asked her what is Penman Rohit, and I uh, asked her how did she come up with that name. So she said that she searched the word author and came up with its synonym, and that synonym was Penman Rohit. Sorry, Penman. So that's how I started the journey of Penman Rohit, and this was about the name. And how I turned into a writer, it was a very long journey, because I didn't even realize it, and I kept writing from a very long time. The first article which I wrote was in 2013, June or July, and at that time I started one new blog, and only one post is there on that blog, and I didn't neither deleted that blog from the internet nor I worked on it afterwards. But I used to keep writing on my Facebook updates. Later on in 2015, when in January I started the series of things I learned today, I started to write every day. Every day I would write, and from that particular experience, I became fond of writing my daily experiences, and all those experiences which I uh, collected, or you can say which I experienced, I felt that some of them were deserve to be heard by other people as well, because I am of the opinion that instead of creating characters then sharing their stories, it's important to share the stories of people who really deserve to tell their story, because their stories is worth listening, worth knowing. And all those stories, all those experiences of my life in that 1 year, I share with people through my book I and the world through my eye. And it was in 2017 when I published that book, like I already told you. But this whole journey of being a writer and becoming Penman Rohit has been a very difficult journey, because if I talk about my other all users names of all profile, it was earlier Rohisu 777, or it was R0786. So all those things were different. So in my MBA, or you can say during MBA in the second semester, I studied integrated marketing communication. In that particular subject, I learned about this particular thing, uh, keeping the same profile picture on different platforms, keeping the same name, and all those things, and one more thing, your bio as well. So all those things really matter, and that's how I turned into a Penman Rohit. So this particular channel I have created only, or you can say more for the people who are into the category of readers, and apart from being a reader, all those people who are aspiring writers. I have still not decided what major topics I'm going to cover into this particular channel, but I wanted to introduce myself first to all of you, so that in the coming few days, when I finalize all the topics around which my channel will uh, circle around, I will share with you all. Apart from that, if I give you a hint, it will majorly relate to books, reviews, and motivation or inspiration. So all those things which really provide us hope and helps us to live in a positive manner, I would be happy to share all those experiences with you all in this particular channel. And obviously I may not be perfect in providing all the experiences which I share or values that I will create, but during the journey of sharing my experiences with you, I will definitely improve myself, and gradually, if not immediately, but definitely I will improve, and I will keep providing some good content for you. Until then, take care. Forget not to subscribe my channel, so that I can know that there are some people who are listening to me. And if you feel that you would be happy to suggest me any topic, or any topic, or a thing or a problem which I can answer, do share in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. I would be happy to help you. Or if I am not able to help you directly, I would definitely create a video on that. So until then, take care.